Abunge na kiama kia Jubilee na aria makoretwo mathiete mugaro na murugamo wa kiama hari ithurano cia kamiti inya cia bunge imwe ya gwikora haceke muthenya wa keri ga kiumia giukite thutha wa karani wa bunge Michael Sialai kwandikira bunge memba kamiti icio kienda magikinyia mucemanio cikaro-ini cia bunge. Ajenda ya mucemanio uyu ari kuhitukia mutaratara wa kwa mwihoko na abunge aya niguo gucungiriria gucokerwo gwa ithurano cia kamiti icio weru. Abunge Alfred Ketel wa Nandi Hills, Cyrus Kipkoech wa Moiben, David Bowen wa Marakwet East na James Gakuya wa Embakasi North ona kuri uguo ni merumite kinina kuhita kwa kungathuka kuma ituro-ini ciao, undu uria abunge a kiama kia Jubilee monekete kuregana naguo umuthi.
Kama ni Rift Valley walitupea kura, wako na chama ni kama 6. Hakuna venye tutanyang'anya Mombasa ambayo ilipatia rais kura tuweza kupeleke kiti huko, kwa sababu lazima kuwe na regional balance.
Mbunge wa Starehe Charles Kanyijagua, Senator wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja Odumwa na Speaker wa bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi Beatrice Elachi magekanitha-ini ngurani umuthi maugite no nginyagia kugia na muiganania hari ugai wa iturwa guothe bururi-ini.
No ndo umwe andu a Jubilee twagiriire kumenya ni ati gutire hindi tuguthi handu twina pride na arrogance, gutire kaide gutuhe, and we shall kill the dream of our president. His legacy is Nairobi.
The party had a position. The members who went against the party position should have been given a hearing. And once they're given a hearing, then they go through the disciplinary process. But I mean, there seems to have been a simmering issue. That's why the members went against what had been decided, because they voted for those people. But I believe, everyone has a right to stand. It's a democratic right to stand for office, even within parliamentary committees. Dialogue within the party is what is required to solve that.
Tulikuwa tumefanya makosa kidogo pale kwa kuchagua chairman wa kamiti, lakini sisi hatukuwa tumeona mbele. Rais akatuambia Jubilee Party ndio ile chama pekee iko na wajumbe Kenya mzima, na ni ukweli, kwa sababu rais wetu alipigiwa kura na kila kabila.
Gitaro kia Rift Valley kihetwo muigana wa ituro 17 cia aikarĩri gĩtĩ a kamĩtĩ itiganĩte cia bunge, na kũngĩtuĩka iturwa cia Alfred Ketel, Cyrus Kipkoech na Kagogo Bowen nĩ ikũrũgama megũkorwo na iturwa 20 gĩcigo-inĩ kĩmwe. Rĩu maitho mothe megũkorwo merekeirio bunge-inĩ kiumia gĩkĩ nĩguo kuona mwerekero ũrĩa ndũgamo ĩno ĩkuoya. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mũra wa Gunya.